Hello everyone. This is group number 4. Uh, so we are two people, my friend Raju Diwakar and myself Keshab. So today I'm going to talk about the data set. The data set is a campaign of finance data which contains information about financial contributions made to political campaigns and committees. It is tabular data with columns representing various attributes such as contributor name or ID, receipt, committee name and details, contribution amount, date of contribution, additional details like contributor, occupation, employer. So for this project, I'm using Python along with data visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Plotly. These tools allow me to load, process, and visualize the campaign finance data effectively. Some potential research questions I aim to explore include identifying the top contributors and recent across different political parties or campaign cycles, analyzing patterns and trends in contribution amount over time or by geographical location, investigating the relationship between contribution amounts and election outcomes or candidate performance, exploring potential irregularities or outliers in the contribution data that may warrant further investigation. So the item I have chosen for this project is a combination of bar chart and scatter plots to visualize different aspects of the campaign finance data effectively. So bar charts are useful for comparing contribution amounts across different candidates, committees, or parties. They can encode attributes like contributor names or affiliation on the x-axis and the contribution amount on the y-axis, following for a clear comparison of relative contribution. Scatter plots, on the other hand, can be used to explore the relationship between the contribution amount and other variables such as contribution date, geographical location, or candidate performance metrics. So, in terms of design decision, I have carefully chosen color schemes that are visually appealing and differentiate between different parties or groups. I have also implemented interactive features like tooltips and zooming to allow users to explore the data in more details. To manage the complexity of the data, I have implemented filtering and aggregation techniques. User can filter the data based on specific criteria such as data range, data ranges, contributor types, or recipient committees. Additionally, aggregation allows users to view summarized data such as total contribution by party or geographical regions. For my example visualization, I'll demonstrate how to create a bar chart showing the top 10 contributors to a specific political party or campaign committee. I will walk through the process of loading the data, filtering and aggregating the contributions by contributor name, sorting the data to identify the top contributors, and finally generating the bar chart using the chosen visualization library, creating a bar chart showing the top 10 contributors to a political party or campaign committee. For this example, I'll be using Python and the popular data visualization library Matplotlib. Uh, So first we need to load the campaign contribution data into the pandas data frame. For this example, I'll be using a sample database of campaign contribution for a fictional political party. The first one is load the data, and the second one is filter and aggregate the contribution. So next we will filter the data to only include contributions to our specific party or campaign committee. Then we will group the contributions by the contributor name and sum the contribution amounts. So on third, we're going to sort the data to identify top contributors. We'll sort the data in descending order by the summed contribution amounts to identify the top contributors. So the first one, prepare the data for plotting. We'll take the top contributors and create a separate list for the contributor names and their respective contribution amount. On fifth, we are going to generate the bar chart. Finally, we can use matplotlib to create the bar data visualization. So as you can see, this code will generate a bar chart with the top 10 contributors to the specified political party or campaign committee on the x-axis, and the representative respective contribution amounts on the y-axis. This visualization can help answer research questions related to identifying major contributors and their relative contribution amounts, providing insight into political influencers or sources of campaign funding.